So I've made this little curing oven, if you want to call it that. It's just made out of some of that, half-inch OSB roofing material, and it's got a 100-watt light bulb in it. You can also put a 60-watt light bulb in. The light bulb is right there, about this area here. So what I'm doing is I don't want the part right next to the light bulb where it gets direct heat. So what I've done is I've stuck it on my foam block, and I'm just going to tuck it into this corner and close up the door. Just a couple of slide latches, and set my timer for a couple of hours, and it should all be cured, hopefully. So we'll come back and we'll see how we did. The moment of truth. Will this work? So what I've done is I've set the output of the compressor to 80 psi. I've put the flange across the vise, so hopefully the part can just shoot down. Unfortunately, my tip is getting real hard, so I don't know if I'm going to get the right seal that I need. So I'm going to push down on it, and damn it, it don't work. There we go. Jeez Louise, what is that? Let's see if we can find out. Wow. Well, the part's nice, funny enough. Anyhow, she's out. So what I'll do now is make sure the mold is clean, and then we'll pop this back in. I'm just going to put a little Vaseline on this tape, because that is super sticky tape. And then we'll pop this back in to the mold, and then we'll trim her out around the edges. So let's see how good we can trim this thing. Normally I would trim this when it's in its green state, but because I wanted to get those tabs on, because I wasn't sure how good a release we would get, I decided we'd trim it after the fact. We'd put it back in. See this double layer of 2 and 3 ounce cloth is fairly easy to trim compared to 6 ounce. So I should this time be able to just get into one edge here. Alrighty, so we've done the second mold here, I should say layup, and we're going to try once again. I'm going to put the pressure up this time to 100 psi or thereabouts, and we'll either destroy the part or it'll hopefully kick out this time. So here we go. Oh, that did it. So that's come straight out. Look at that. That's the way it's supposed to do. So everything so far went perfect. Lower the speed. All right. One thing I had forgotten from years ago, which is the last time I used my curing oven, is this primer under heat, like 110 to 120 degrees, which was in that oven, can reflow the primer. I totally forgot about that. I had this problem before with small parts. Not too bad with the big fuselage, but definitely affects small parts. So what it essentially does is kind of glue itself in the mold a bit, because it softens right up. This is supposed to be a finished hard skin, so that poof, it releases properly.